Hey everyone, and welcome back. We upload quality videos daily to help you get the best ideas for all kinds of products. And today we're diving deep to find the quietest propane heaters for your garage. If you want a warm workspace without the deafening noise, stick around. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next helpful product deep dive. Number 1. Mr. Heater Radiant MH540T Propane Garage Heater. The Mr. Heater Radiant Propane Heater is my top pick because it's powerful, functional, and quiet. Its highest setting is 45,000 BTU, but you can set it at 30,000 or 36,000 too. 30,000 BTU will comfortably heat a 1,000 square feet garage, so you should need to go above the lowest setting. It's a sunflower heater, meaning it's a rotating, circular heater that connects directly to the top of a propane tank. You can hook it up to anything from a 1 pound to a 100-pound tank, giving you loads of flexibility over runtime. With a 20-pound propane tank, you could carry it around and you'll still get 9.5 hours of runtime on high. The MH450T is a radiant heater, meaning it doesn't have a fan fitted. Although it'll warm a room more slowly than a forced air heater, it's much quieter. We don't have an explicit decibel rating, but users state it's quiet. Number 2. Resper Mr. Heater F232MH9BX. The MH9BX is essentially a camping propane heater, but it's perfectly suited to warming a garage too. With a maximum BTU of 9,000, it can heat rooms up to 225 square feet in size. At its lowest setting, 4,000 BTU, it has a maximum runtime of 5.4 hours. On high, this drops to 2.4 hours. This is because it runs on 1-pound propane cylinders, which obviously don't have great capacity. However, you can connect it to a 20-pound propane cylinder tank with an optional adapter, as this video demonstrates. Doing so will obviously give you a far greater runtime. One benefit of this heater is that it's very compact, making it easy to store. It also only weighs 9 pounds, excluding propane tank, so you should be able to cram it in a cupboard during the warmer months. Number 3. Mr. Heater F21510MH4B. The MH4B is basically a mini version of my top pick propane heater. It's the same sunflower design, but has a maximum output of 3,800 BTU. This means it's only rated for spaces up to 95 square feet, hence why it's my pick for keeping a small garage warm, but it also means it'd work as a camping heater, as it doesn't need electrical power. It connects to 1-pound propane tanks and provides a runtime of up to 5.6 hours. It doesn't have adjustable settings. It's either on or off. This isn't a massive issue, as you can control it manually using a switch. However, it does offer less flexibility over heat output. Again, it has the safety features you'd expect, like oxygen depletion detection and tip-over protection. Also, there's an 8-inch base that you slot onto the propane tank. Number 4. Gasland MHA18B Propane Heater. Although most of the models so far are portable, the Gasland MHA18B wins the title of the best portable heater because it's on wheels. At around 17 pounds, it's the heaviest model listed so far, so the wheels are an obvious help. The maximum heat output is 18,000 BTU, which is suitable for garages up to 450 square feet. It has 2 other heat settings, 6,000 and 12,000 BTU, connected to a 20-pound propane tank. It'll provide up to 69 hours of runtime on its lowest setting or around 20 hours on high. Because it's a radiant heater, it's about as quiet as you can get for a propane heater. We don't have an explicit decibel rating, unfortunately, but it's a reasonable assumption because it doesn't have a blower. A helpful feature is that it doesn't require electricity, as it's run off a piezo ignition. Number 5. Built Hard 125,000 BTU Propane Heater. The Built Hard propane heater is an impressively powerful yet compact model. It's 19 inches long and 13.6 inches high, but has a maximum heat output of 125,000 BTU. This makes it suitable for spaces up to 3,125 square feet. Its lowest setting is 75,000 BTU, meaning it still kicks out some serious power at this level. If you want a slightly less powerful model, the 85,000 BTU one drops down to 50,000 BTU. Forced air heaters always have a higher BTU, so you won't find one much lower than this. Although we don't have a specific decibel level, users rate it highly for its noise output. It will be louder than a radiant heater because it's pushing out air, but this model is relatively quiet for what it does.